In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a WordPress theme without losing any of your valuable content. Changing the look and feel of your WordPress site is a great way to keep it fresh and modern, but the process can seem daunting if you've never done it before. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transition. Let's begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, locate the menu on the left-hand side and click on Appearance. This will bring up a submenu where you'll see Themes. Click on Themes, and you'll be taken to a page where all your currently installed themes are visible. The next step is to add a new theme, which you can do by clicking Add New at the top of the page. Here, you have two options. You can either search for a theme using the search bar, which will pull from the WordPress repository, or you can upload a theme file if you've found one elsewhere. If you choose to upload a theme, click on the Upload Theme button, select your theme file, and press Install Now. Once the installation is complete, you'll have the opportunity to preview your new theme. Click on Live Preview to see a real-time demonstration of how your site will appear with the new theme applied. This is your chance to get a feel for the new design without committing just yet. To make sure the new theme aligns with your brand, you'll want to customize its settings. Head over to the WordPress Customizer, which is a versatile tool that lets you adjust various elements like colors, fonts, and layouts. You can find the customizer under the Appearance menu too. Here, you should take your time to ensure everything fits seamlessly with your brand's aesthetic. After customizing and once you're completely satisfied with the preview, it's time to activate your new theme. To do this, return to Appearance, click on Themes once more. You'll see your new theme listed alongside the others. Simply hover over the theme you wish to activate. You'll notice an Activate button. Give that a click. Now that the theme is activated, it's crucial to review your site thoroughly. Check all the pages, from your homepage to your blog section, and any custom pages you may have. Make sure everything appears correctly and functions as it should. Sometimes little tweaks might still be necessary in the customizer to get things just right. And there you have it, a brand new theme for your WordPress site, with all your content intact and just as you left it. Changing your theme can breathe new life into your site without impacting the existing content. And with these steps, you should find the process smooth and straightforward. Thanks for joining me today, and happy theming!